This is the hammer tool Rhino, kind of a multi-tool off of Amazon. How much would we pay for this?
Under $20.
And it's under $20. See, it even cuts nice.
And that's cardboard. And it locks into place. It's got a file, a flathead, can opener, pry, a saw. It locks into place. Little vise. You got your pry. I guess that's some type of bolt opener. Not too sure.
Looks like a hex thing.
And let's see here. It got a whole bunch of other stuff in it, but it's for the money, it's pretty practical. This is about twice the size of the Amazon $20 piece. It's a $5 Dollar Tree. It's much heavier, much larger, and nothing locks. But yet it has workable components. Blade is sharp, but it's pretty strong. But I still consider it kind of flimsy. But all the tools are sharp and functional, but nothing locks. It takes some used to getting to use it, but once you figure it out, it is, pretty practical. It grips and holds. It hammers. And it has a little catch piece here on the bottom to lock it in place when it's not in use or when you're trying to hammer or use one of the other tools. The only bad thing is this piece breaks into your hand when you're trying to use a knife blade or something. And like I said, it doesn't lock into place. So it does have a tendency to bite you.